Hi eels! I hope you had fun yesterday doing some acrostic poems. So today's lesson is on something called the two-word description poem. A bunch of you in the class have already tried this. This is kind of a fun one to try. It's fairly easy as far as structure. You just have to be creative in coming up with your words. So it's just exactly what it says. We're going to have a two-word title, and we're going to have on each line, we're going to have two words. We want to avoid words like lots or many or very. We want to paint a picture with our two-word description poem. So this is one that was written by some fourth graders and I a long time ago. It's called The Pizza. So first they put cheesy goodness. That paints a picture, doesn't it? You can just see that stretchy cheese. Sausage boulders. Pepperoni frisbees. They could have said round pepperonis, but it's more fun to call them frisbees. So remember yesterday we talked about metaphor being one of the things that poetry uses. Metaphor is basically just a comparison. So instead of saying round pepperonis, they said pepperoni frisbees. Mushroom goombas. I don't actually know what goombas are, but I think they're in part of a video game, little mushroom creatures or something. Sizzling bacon. Bloody sauce. Instead of putting red sauce or tomato sauce, they decided that bloody sounded more interesting. Crispy crust. Fiery peppers. Watering mouth. First bite. Last bite. All gone. So, paints a little picture. Two-word description poem. Uses comparisons and try to think of things that would paint a picture instead of red sauce, bloody sauce. All right, we're going to look at another one. Just a sec while I cover it up. This is another one that I wrote with some students called Dog Treats. Beef broth, liver flavor, peanut butter. Dogs love peanut butter. Bone-shaped, greasy goodies. The greasier the better for dogs. That's what they think. Smelly bag. Puppy breath. Trick rewarder. Wagging tail. Drool's cool. Okay, here's another one. It's spring. Earth warms. Tiny leaves. Birds sing. Worms emerge. Bees buzz. Soft breeze. Cool evenings. Everybody's happy. Springtime. Especially where I used to come from, springtime was such a nice change to the winter. So these are things that the kids thought about when it was spring. Okay, last one. The hummingbird. Picture a hummingbird. We've got lots of them here. Needle-nosed. Lightning speed. They could have said very fast, but we were trying to paint a picture. Lightning speed is much more interesting than very fast. Hover wings. A nectar sucker. Frequent feeder. They do eat very often because they use so much energy beating those tiny little wings that go 60 times a second. Hollow bones. Allow them to fly so fast and high. And color lover. They like the colorful flowers, don't they? thimble nest. I've never actually seen one, but I've seen pictures of their nest. It's very, very tiny. Okay, so those are 4 examples of a 2-word description poem, and I would like you to try 2 or 3 examples. You can pick any topic you want to, but remember to use descriptive words and paint a picture. And I would love to see them if you want to send them to me. Thanks. Talk to you tomorrow.